source the people, and you want the people that you like working with to find the people like that
Yeah.
people are like them. This is
Yes.
a great opportunity to make that. We all want to be a lot more focused and intentional with the people we want to work with and enjoy working with.
That's really a good point. Here's another part of this too that people don't really, I think, grasp or talk about. If you run any kind of ads, this is by far, the greatest thing you could do. Because think about this, Frank. If you spent 250 bucks on Google, or even if it was 500 bucks on a heavy month, right? Or an Instagram ads or whatever, here's the problem with that. People click on that ad, they land on a page, they need to fill out a form, they don't do it. Or if they do and you try to send them email, your email goes to spam or doesn't go, it goes to promotions, not to their primary inbox, right?
Mhm.
So you pay 250 or 500 bucks for ad, they see it once and it's done.
And you pay per click too.
Yes.